Today on my engineering projects, I'll fix a skipping stepper motor that has too much torque on it by putting a gear reducer, and then I'll put my big old Nikon on this telescope and test it out. Okay, so what's going on here? The motor is skipping when it gets more horizontal. There's just too much torque here with this particular gear ratio. So the stepper motor is skipping, and so we need to fix that. So here I've printed out a gear reduction part. We have a smaller gear and a larger gear. And what I want to do is I'll move the stepper motor over, and then I'll have the small gear here attached to this surface, and then I'll have the stepper motor to the bigger one. And what that will do is that will further reduce this down. And we might have to do this a couple of times, but I'll try it with just one gear and see if we have enough torque here in the motor to turn it without skipping. The first thing I need to do is take this off. Okay, so how we're going to do this is I want to arrange this so that it's like this, and then we'll drill a hole here, and then we'll put this so that the stepper motor attaches to this gear instead. Okay, here's the same setup except for I've added a Barlow lens, and then we'll put a 23mm lens in here. We'll try it again. So previously it was about right here that it started skipping. Alright, we're completely horizontal with even more weight than we had before, and the stepper can move it and hold it with no problems whatsoever. Okay, let's try it with this big old Nikon. Now I have added a counterweight because it's required for something this big, but I never could do this before, not with a Nikon. Okay, that's completely horizontal, and so we can also do micro steps. I've got the control box down here. I'll put it down so you can see it. So I can change the speed. Go faster, or I can go slower, or really slow. Really slow. So now I have complete control here, and that fixes it, so I can't wait to give this a try in the field.